Hi there, we're going to do some roundabouts today. So let's get some driving done. Have a good look round, make sure it's safe. And then we're off. And some roundabouts are easier than others, as you probably already know. If you're new to roundabouts, by the way, and this is your first time looking at a roundabouts video, then I'll put a link below for you on some basic roundabouts to give you an idea of what they are. But continue watching this because there's lots of information that's going to help you at the same time. We're just going to get out of this estate. Here we go. We'll do a right turn into this bit here. Centre mirror right, signalling. We've got a nice little oval roundabout here to start off with. So we're going to go ahead. So there's no signal required. Just check what's happening behind you. Clear on your right. And we're just going to follow it round just to get out of the estate. And we're going to come off here, and then straight away there's national speed limit, which is centre mirror left, signalling, telling everyone we're coming off. And then we're going to go left at the end of the road, centre mirror left, signalling. So 60 mile an hour road, nice gap, and I'm going to carry on going. And then straight away we're on the main road, national speed limit, single road, 60 miles an hour, building our speed up pretty quick. And we've got a roundabout, and we're going to do a right turn, third exit straight away. So here comes your sign. This is going to be your prompt to help you. So as you get close, centre mirror right, signalling, slowing yourself down. And if you're new to roundabouts, I suggest slow yourself down for second gear, and that gives you more time to check. So I'm getting the speed down to 20, changing gear at this point, lifting the clutch up slowly with the brake on, checking to the right, off the brake, it's definitely clear, and going round, first exit on the left. As you pass the second exit, as we are there, centre mirror left, signalling to come off. And then building my speed up. So as I come out the bend, checking my mirrors, cancel signal, third gear. Building my speed up, building it up, checking my mirrors, fourth gear. So I'm up to fourth gear, doing 40. I'm not going to go any faster because the car in front of me is doing that speed. They slowly increase the speed. That truck in front of me is going slow. That's where it is, because of the weight. Use my fifth gear. I'm doing 50 mile an hour now, so they're slowly speeding up. Keeping in the middle of the lane, not kind of cutting over the white lines, not going to the curb and skimming the curb. It's quite hard if you're not used to going this speed. At the next roundabout, another right turn. So we've got a few right turns going at the moment. So here it comes. Remember, as the sign gets close towards you, centre mirror right, signalling, braking, bringing my speed down, bringing it down. Before you get to the roundabout, clutch to second gear on this one because I can't see what's coming. There's a few cars there, checking, carry on going now. We went left. First exit, keeping next to the curb but not dead close. Second exit, centre mirror left, signalling. On a bigger roundabout, you might even check your left side a bit more just to make sure there's no one trying to go past you on the left. But right turns on roundabouts are tricky because they've got the right curb next to you on the island. And I'm not going particularly fast here. I'm in third gear doing about 35 miles an hour, only because of the cones. At the roundabout, we're going to go ahead. We're going to take the second exit. So I'm checking my mirrors, slowing myself down, bringing my speed down, keeping it in third gear just in case it's clear, checking what's happening on the right, and it's still clear, so I'm going to keep it in third, checking my mirrors to the left, signalling left, keeping to that lane, and off we come. Up to fourth gear now. So we're bombing along on the roundabouts at the moment, still national speed limit, fifth gear doing 50 miles an hour. At the next roundabout, we'll go right. If you're enjoying this video, by the way, and I'm only halfway through it, then I'll put a link to some videos at the top on roundabouts to help you with some trickier ones with spiral roundabouts. So at this one here, we're going to do a right turn, third exit. So it's centre mirror, right mirror, signalling right. There we go. Slowing myself down, and I'm approaching from 5th to 3rd, checking to my right. Looks busy, so I'm slowing down for the white line, straight into 1st. Gas and go. And as soon as I get straight, this point here, 2nd gear, following it round, checking my mirrors, centre left, signalling, checking my mirror again because I could see a car on the left side then. Yeah, it's behind me now. As soon as I come out of the bend, back into 3rd gear, checking my mirrors at the same time, accelerating, checking my mirrors, 4th gear. Ahead of us there's 2 sets of lights. The one on the left, the green's for us. The one on the far right is for turning right, with the red ones. So do keep an eye on the lights because they might change, so don't speed up too much. Anticipate the fact that it might change. Checking my mirrors behind me, keep an eye on the lights now at this point. And then I'm going to carry on going. There's always a cut-off point where when to stop, when to go with lights. That's for another video, by the way. If you want to watch that one, I'll put something in the description for you. So I'm going good speed, 5th gear now, getting towards 50. At the next roundabout, we're going to go left, 1st exit. So as we get closer, we're looking for that roundabout sign to help us. Here it comes. So remember, centre mirror, left, signalling. There's a bit of a queue here, so I'm slowing down for possibly 2nd gear now. Oh, they've just gone. So I can't actually on the right, so I'm going to slow down for 2nd gear and make it look busy. 2nd gear, lift the clutch slowly, covering your brake, and on the gas. That's it. Back to 3rd gear, just on the bend then. Building my speed up. Letting a gap develop with the car in front of me. And we're going to go ahead at the next roundabout. We're going to take the 2nd exit. So we're looking what's happening ahead of us. There's a coach in a lay-by or bus lane. In 5th gear now, doing 54, 55 miles an hour. So it's national speed limit, dual carriageway, 70 mile an hour road. So left lane for driving, right lane for overtaking. And we're going to go ahead, 2nd exit at the next roundabout. So as we get closer, we can see this car turning left, it's signal. Now the white signs are quite important, it's saying use the right lane, checking my mirrors. Little shoulder check, signalling to come across, and I'm braking for this guy here, which is pulled out, checking my mirrors, and I'm slowing down for that middle lane, 3rd gear at the moment, checking what's going on, slowing down for 1st gear for the car on the right, and I'm waiting for the cars on the right. I'm going to use the handbrake here, I'm in 1st gear, I'm waiting again. And now I'm off. So it changed pretty quickly then, because it's quite a busy roundabout. So don't be afraid to not go if it's busy. Don't feel like, oh, I've got to go because the car next to me's gone. That's dangerous. Go when it's safe. Don't go when it's risky. And we're going to go ahead at the next roundabout. So we're checking what's happening behind us, and I'm slowing myself down. Changing to 3rd gear from 4th, checking the right, this car's coming through, slowing down for 1st, but I'm off the brake now, and then gas and biting point. So it's like a rolling stop. Anticipate the fact that there's a guy coming through on his own, I can get a gap behind him. Checking the mirrors, cancelling. There's the next one again. We're going to go ahead. Checking, and I'm braking gently. 3rd gear from 4th, slowing down at the same time. I'm doing 20 miles an hour on the approach. Checking to the right, it's definitely clear now. There's my left side, there's my mirrors to the left, signal to the left, and then cancel it as I come out the bend, back to 3rd gear. If you've enjoyed the video, feel free to click like. I'll put a video on the end here for you to watch another one on roundabouts, and watch my next video next week, everybody. Take care, and if you're new to the channel, click subscribe.